Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? What is up? If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, join the fam. If you like this video, if you like me, join. Click that notification bell so you know that every time that I upload a video and when I upload on my wall on YouTube or like create a post, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like hauls. I got a haul. It's a tiny haul, but it's a haul. So, in this video we are going to be doing a Sephora haul, because we love things on makeup. So, if you want to see what I got in this haul, then keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to put the bag on my lap. So the first thing I got is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. If you have dry skin, I am telling you that this moisturizer has been doing wonders for my skin. What I do is I get out of the shower, wash my face in the shower, get out, use one of those First Aid Beauty's facial radiance pads, let that dry, and then apply this on right away, and it works awesome. And then I also use the Dewy Skin Mist on top of it as a spray just for extra help for dryness to keep hydrated, because my skin is so bad, and I can already, by using this, can already see a difference in my little tiny fine lines that I get because I have a very exaggerated face. It's very expressive, as you can tell. My eyebrows literally were just moving, and my smile lines are a little bit less when I put on makeup the other day. So, highly recommend this. Next, this is mostly skincare things, by the way, too. I did a big haul on that. This is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These you guys heard me talk about in my skincare routine. This is just alright, sorry, I'm like off center a little bit, so kind of weird. This is perfect for when you're done cleaning your face. I wouldn't use this to just clean your face. Like, obviously use a cleanser and then use this after, because it helps get a little bit more extra. Also use one of these when you're done removing your makeup. Like, I take a Neutrogena makeup wipe or cleansing oil by Tatcha. Use that, and then I'll use this after, and it gets whatever's left over. Super nice, love. Try this out for skincare, I'm telling you, amazing. Next is this Dr. Jart Shake and Shot Rubber Hydro Mask. Now, this mask, I had one for a while, haven't used it. My boyfriend got it for me for our anniversary, and this is the hydrating one. They have different ones. Literally makes 2 face masks because I have a small face, so I was able to use it on me and my mom. So this, if you need super hydration, is amazing. It literally turns into like a gel mask, and it dries, and it feels so good, and you peel it off, and it's so like moisturizing after. Like, you rub in whatever's left, if there is anything left, or if you're like my skin, literally just soaked it all up, and it's so hydrating. And I've been doing more hydrating masks lately because it's wintertime. This, highly recommend. This is also what the bottle looks like. It's very cute. This Dr. Jart's like little face thing's a little weird, not gonna lie, but this is not a straw. This is a spatula to spread it on. Really good, highly recommend. The next thing on here, we'll get this out of the way because this isn't really skincare. This is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm. Highly recommend. If you have super dry lips and you have chapstick or an EO sag and it's not really working for you, get this. It's super hydrating. Tastes weird because it's basic. It's kind of like a wax. Kind of this. Works so good. Highly recommend. They have it in Agave, and they don't have them in any other ones. Or you can also use the Bite Beauty lip masks. I use those as, as lip balm on their own, even though they're supposed to be like a lip mask. But I use that. Anything Bite Beauty for like moisturizing your lips, definitely check out. The next thing is the Night and Bright. These are sample sizes of Drunk Elephant. This is the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil, and then the TLC Framboos Glycic Night Serum, and that's what those two look like. So I want a night serum. I'm trying to get into serums. I'm getting into more like other stuff for skincare than moisturizers, masks, and cleansers. So I wanted to try it, but I didn't want to buy the big bottle of them because the big bottles of these are super expensive. So word of advice, if you want to try any skincare, usually they have them in travel sizes. Try that size out first or ask for a sample. Simplest way is that. And I wanted to try these out because I'm trying to get into serums, like I said before, but because it's Drunk Elephant, it's super expensive. We got the travel size, and I think they're very cute. And I'm excited to see what they would do because I also got by Drunk Elephant is also the Rise and Glow. So this is the C Firma Day Serum and the B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. So this is 2 serums, and that's what they look like. And it says that this is for a daily dose of vitamins on your face. And then it says that the C Firma Day Serum is a vitamin C serum that brightens and firms. The B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum is a shot of vitamin B hydration that quenches dry and thirsty skin. So this I would use in the morning, and then this one I would use at night, and I'll read you what these ones do. So the TLC Framboos Glycic Night Serum is an AHA/BHA gel that resurfaces dull, congested skin and exfoliates the pore lining. And then the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil is a super absorbable carrier oil with omega-6 and 9 that restores a youthful glow and maximizes absorption. Try these out. They're in the checkout line. Literally, like, you know that like little area that's all Sephora's have that like you walk through before you check out. These are in there, so give those a shot. And last but not least, I got this Ole Henderson. Ooh, I just blocked some of my like mobby. This Ole Henderson. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know if I am. But this is a Glow 2 HO Dark Spot Toner. This targets dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, skin textures with high potency of AHAs. This is what this looks like. $28 for this like size of the box, this size of the bottle. 28 bucks for this. Not bad. I got this because, like I say, I have my smile lines that get really deep, and this is for when it's winter time, is when they get more pronounced. And I know I'm only 20, don't need to be worrying about like this type of skincare stuff, but like if you start worrying about it now, it'll be helpful for in the future, and you're just going to be used to having skincare and doing it all the time than trying to figure it out now. So it says this works with all skin types, which is amazing. It helps with dark spots. I don't have them right now, but if I'm on my Tuesdays and Thursdays day for school, under here is insane because I wake up at 5:40 in the morning and I have class from 7:15 all the way to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and my dark spots underneath are so crazy and bad. And then with it being super dry and annoying outside and cold, my fine lines that I have on my forehead from me just being super expressive with my emotions in that, and then my smile lines from me not talking or from me not shutting up ever, haha, or me smiling a lot like I used to when I cheered, and then from me smiling a lot now because I'm just a happy, bubbly person, if you haven't caught on to that by any chances yet. But this will help reduce those, and I know, again, I'm only 20, but start worrying about your skin now, you know? Never late than ever. That's the saying. But I'm early, so I don't really know where I'm going with that one. So these are all the products that I got. I know it's not a lot, but like, you know that all added up pretty quick because it's Sephora and that's just, you know. But like I said, I'm getting really into my skincare, like more than just cleansers, face pads, face washes, exfoliants, and all that jazz. I'm getting into like the toners and the serums. And I'm really excited to get into all of that. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys in my next one, and we're gonna have a great next video. Give you a hint if you stayed this long. It's a Jeffree Star video. You'll be very happy and love it. I know you all will. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.